Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to earn a free ISC2 certified in cybersecurity. So ISC2 organization is providing the cybersecurity certification and certificate certified in cybersecurity, that is a CC certification. And here is the clean and end-to-end way to registration for the ISC2 certified in cybersecurity and what happened after you pass. So step-by-step process given is there. So first question is that in our mind, what is the ISC2? So formally International Information System Security Certification and Consortium is the non-profit membership organization that specializes in the training and certifying cybersecurity professional worldwide. Okay, so important links are there. So register for the exam, then dashboard, candidate benefit, and IMSC exam instruction. Then we'll move to the PSL. So step by step process we'll go through that. So first open your register for the exam. Let me open that. Accept the cookies. So register for your certification exam. First you register for the exam. So click here. So login is opening. So this is a login screen. So I have to register first. So go to the sign up. So situation, Mr. Name, give your name. Okay. So correct name. So I'm giving my correct name. Okay. Then suffix. I don't have email. Then password. Okay. So confirm the password. Term and condition, privacy policy, cookies policy, and just click on the create account. So my account. So I'm logged in now. After logged in, you can here you can check your certification. So CC, there's an entry level cybersecurity certification, and there is a register for exam process, and other things are there. So just click on the CC. So check the CC certified in cybersecurity, free exam and training. So there is a step. Too many things are given there. So they are giving the global initiative. There is a 1 million certified in cybersecurity. Provide the free online self-paced training and exam for the certification. So I'll clear with the step-by-step process. Then I'll go there. So there is the decide your path. So free or paid. So we are just talking about the free. So ISC2 is still running with the 1 million certified in cybersecurity initiative, which gives you the free CC training plus a first exam attempt. Start the CC page and 1 million page. Okay, so if you are paying, then standard CC fee will be the US dollar 199. Local taxes and so on as the checkout page, we have to pay that. So this is the URL. So create your ISC2 account free, become the ISC2 candidate free. So must at least you have an age of 16-year-old for the seat in the ISC2 exam. Claim your free training and exam. Okay. So from the 1 million CC page, enroll the free self-placed this one. So this I'll put you the URL, and we have a URL this one 1 million page. So add the CC exam in your cart. So step by step process. If you have in doubt, then you can comment on the video. So these are the instruction is given there. I will show you the video presentation here. So let me open the 1 million CC instruction. Okay, I have to go through the step by step. Okay, so there is a register for exam. Go there. So certification exam. Not this page. Let me. I'm talking about the this URL. Okay, I have to add all the details. Then only this URL will open. Let me add this detail. Okay, first name, middle name, and address, home, Ranchi, and city. Give your detail. India. Give your cell number, employer. I'm giving the self, date of birth. So check your year. Any date of birth you can give there. Gender, male. So these are the details you have to step by step you have to give. Training program. Training program. Highest level of education. Postgraduate. Certification needed for job. Not preferred to say as per your employees information business associate. No. CC. And these are the check boxes. Then submit. Success. Now let me go through the certification step by step. So CC, then click on there, create an account already. So this is the URL. Just copy this URL and free entry level cybersecurity training plus certification exam. Go down, create an account. You don't have, we have already created the account. So click on the sign in. After sign in, we will get a form, application form. So give the proper name and total details. In last you will get a available certification of interest. So we are interested in cyber certified in cybersecurity. So click here. So added another certification are not free. So we are going through the free certification that is certified in cybersecurity. Options, email, and click on next. Just right, not prefer to say, or you can fill your details, whatever details you want to fill. Just click on next. I accept. Okay, just click here. Age range, my age is approximately 35 to above. Yeah, it's okay. Male, age, English, none, and submit. Done. Now click on the free access online. So we are in this page. So I'm going to redeem your free certified in cyber security. Yeah. I am not authorized. Enroll in free training. Let me enroll. Go back. Again, I'm opening this one. Free registration to take. Number or candidate. If you fail to reach the page, please continue. Okay. So in dashboard, we can able to see this one. So schedule period is August 2023 to 2025 to August 23 2026. Between that, we can this one. So I'm going for the schedule. So this is a Pearson page. We already filled up all the things. Now accept this one. I have reviewed. Then submit. Okay, employer. I'm giving some name, and this one highest level of education, postgraduate, and submit. Now you're being transferred to Pearson View. Use of the website and subject to Pearson View terms and conditions. So select your language. Next, go down. I agree. Read the term and conditions. Here, check with the India. So in India, approx 11 places they will give you the test center. So if you are away from those test centers, then quite difficult for you to give the exam. So this is the test center. So there is a in Hyderabad, Telangana, one test center. Second is in Maharashtra, Pune. Third in Nandi Park Society, Gujarat. Mumbai. This one also Ahmedabad, Gujarat. And Chennai, Bangalore, two places. Haryana, Noida, New Delhi. Okay, so total 11. So you can able to see there in map also Telangana. There is a Pune and Surat approx. There is a 4 Mumbai, 5. There is 6 Bangalore, 7 is also in Bangalore. Okay, this one will be the Chennai. This will be the Bangalore. Okay, so these are the so I am selecting for the testing purpose as per your convenient location. You can select. I'm selecting the Hyderabad. Okay, just click on next. So it will give you the test center detail and select the exam date. So any of the suitable date and month you can choose. Just like September, I'm going to the 25th. Just example. So click on the 25th. Here you will get the appointment time, so 8 to 10, or you can explore the more and just click here, you will get a more time. So how many slots are available, you can get it there. Just like if you want to give the exam 1 to 10 a.m., just select that, it will give you 10 to 12. So now click on the book this appointment, so click this. So this is the final price and all the things, $199 will be there. So after this one, it will estimated total will be the zero, because this is a free exam. Okay, so just subtotal is this, discount will be the CC 100% off on deck, and estimated cost zero. So just click on proceed to checkout. So this will be the payment page. If you have any coupon and other things, you can remove and you can paste. Already we are using the promotion code 100%, so no need to remove. Just click on next. So all the detail you will get, and this is the final submit order. Just click on submit order. So your email confirmation has been sent to this email. So I'll show you the email also. So this is a payment confirmation, my detail, exam detail, whatever the payment detail, it will give you the all the detail. Okay, and you can able to see. And whenever exam is this Thursday, September 25th and 2025 and 10 a.m. to, and there is a appointment length will be the 120 minutes, means 2 hours, and test center will be this. So you can log in with the person also, and you can see, and this is the final confirmation page. Okay, so order and order details will be there. So in this video we have learned how to just register for the free ISC2 certified in cybersecurity CC, and step by step process is given there. And for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe and like for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Be certified, and just do your step by step process to get into this, and other details will be in this. So thank you for watching.